Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to review or show to you a gift idea that you could give to your husband, brother, uncle, auntie, or anyone who's really into tools. Okay, and if you happen to visit mccabes, you will find this great tool. As you can see, it's 4-in-1 laser level. All right, so it costs about $14.95 in mccabes pharmacy. Yeah, guys, so you won't believe that you will find this in mccabes pharmacy, because normally tools are or can only be found on stores that sells tools, right? So this one is different because you'll find this in a pharmacy. All right, so let's take a look inside the box, guys. So this is it. So once you open the box, you'll find this very handy tool, right? So like I said, it's a 4-in-1 tool, which means it comes with a meter, a ruler, leveler, and of course it's laser, right? So it has a laser, guys. Look, as you can see, that's the laser leveler. Okay, and it also comes with 3 batteries in it. The small batteries. Okay, comes with a box aside from the batteries that's already inside the tool. All right, so again, it comes with a meter, right? And the ruler with an inches and centimeters in it, the leveler, the horizontal, vertical, and of course the slant or slope. Okay, and then the laser pointer. All right, so why wait? Again, if you can visit mccabes pharmacy, you'll find this one in their offers right now. So while supply lasts. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Till our next vlog. Bye bye.